Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. Welcome to our tutorial series on how to build website with HTML and CSS. And this is tutorial 21 in this series. Thank you very much for keeping in touch with us. In the last tutorial, we talked about we deal with how to change the background color of a web page and how to change the font color of a text on a web page to match the background color. In today's tutorial, we will be talking about padding. In the previous tutorial, I did remember that we mentioned we did something like cell padding. Now this is almost similar to that, but a little bit of some variations. Today before we proceed, let's first try to understand what is padding. What is padding? Padding is a space between a text and a border. Okay, let me construct some text in the body to show you some things, how to make the door. Okay, I'm going to surround this text, let's say header 2. Okay, now in the CSS section, write H2 parentheses and then background color, background hyphen and color, colon, let's make it green, semicolon, let's close the parentheses. And now let's save to see what we have. Let's save and refresh. Let's see what we have. Okay. I hope you can see that, how to make the door. You can see a padding on the how to make the door, almost at the margin of how to make the door, the text, the letters of how to make the door. Now let me do this just to explain to you what padding is. Let me do this now. I'm going to write, let me do this now. I'm going to say padding, let's say 20 pixels. I'll write padding colon, let's say 20 px. After the px, make sure to don't forget to put semicolon. Now let's save to see what we have done. Okay, I believe you know what padding means now. There's space around the text, how you can change or make changes to the space, selected space around the text. Now this color here is not readable. This text color is not readable. Let me show you an instant way by which you can change the color, the font color, to a readable color, maybe white. Now just come here, color, let's make it white, semicolon, save. Let's refresh to see what we have. Okay, the font color has changed to a readable color now, white. Now what I did was just it's a very simple way by which, once you have a background and you have a text on that background, all you need to do to change the color to whatever color you think is readable on that background, you just write color, then you put a colon, and then you write white and put semicolon. It will automatically turn that font color to white. That's the fastest way to change the font color on a background color on a web page. Okay, now what if we change this padding? Let's change this padding here to 50. Now let's save and refresh to see what we have. Okay, as you can see, the padding has increased we have increased it to 50 pixels and the padding has increased. So that is how you can change. Of course, in every website you must find designs like this, so it's important that you know how to do this. Thank you very much for watching. We've come to the end of today's video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. Welcome to our tutorial series on how to build website with HTML and CSS. And this is tutorial 22 in this series. In the last tutorial, we talked about padding. We said padding is a space between a text and a border. Today we're going to talk about border and margin. Now, these are properties or properties around a text. Now, a border is the outline of a margin. Now let's continue from where we stopped in the last tutorial. Now we have here on the body of the script we have how are you, and then is header 1, that means it's a very bold one, okay, and then we have the background color green and then the font color is white. Now we have padding 50 pixels. Now let me change this padding to say 15 pixels. Now I'm going to add another element, border. Minus color. Hyphen. Let's leave it at red. Semicolon. Another border width. Minus width. Hyphen. Let's leave it at 3px. Let's add another parameter again, border style. Hyphen, then style. Let's say dashed. Now let's save and refresh to see what we have done. I wish you can see this very clearly. The border line is red. You can see that the border line is red, and that's because in the script here we say the border color it's red, the border width is 3 pixels, and the border style is dashed. Now this line here is dashed line. I wish you can see it properly. It's dashed line. The line is dotted line. So this is how you can effect changes like this around a particular text or a particular section on your web page with these parameters here. Okay, now I'm going to add some parameters to this. Let me change this border, this first one, to border top hyphen, then color. Let's leave it as green. Let me make it green. Then here, border still top, style, let's leave it dotted. Then border top width, border top hyphen, then width, let's leave it at 4 pixels. And let's remove this one here. Let me save to see what, and refresh to see what we have done. I wish you can see what we've done. Now let me change this color to yellow. Let me change it to yellow. Maybe it will show more of what we're doing. Let me save to refresh. Okay, this is better. This is what we've done. We've added some parameters to it so that we have changed some properties around this text, how are you. So this is what we have done with all this script. We've added padding 15 pixels, border dash top dash color hyphen green, then border top style dotted, border top width 4 pixels. That is exactly what we have done. So this is how you can effect some changes around the border and margin of an element around your web page, how you can effect some changes on the element around your web page. So that is all we have for today's tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.